John Biggs, and we are here at CES 2013 with Dropcam. We saw this thing, this version of the Dropcam last year. Introduce yourselves, tell us who you are, and tell us about the Dropcam.
Hi, I'm Greg Duffy. I'm CEO of Dropcam, and this is Dropcam HD, which is our HD camera. You can put up anywhere, put it in your home, and then watch it from your iPad, your iPhone, your Android, PC, or Mac. So people use it for everything from baby monitoring to pet monitoring, home security. I know you actually have a security use case you were talking about me recently. You want to talk about that a little bit?
As I said, so they recently stole all 4 tires off my car.
I didn't do that.
You didn't do it.
Not, but
you didn't. I don't have any proof that you did.
That's right.
Do it.
Yeah.
So it was in front of the house in Brooklyn, and I had 2 drop cams in the house. One was overlooking the house originally, and that was the one that I figured would have captured these guys stealing my tires. So I was so excited. So I went upstairs to look at it, and I realized that I had taken it downstairs into the basement to watch the kids. So this drop cam was viewing a empty basement.
You know what the solution to this problem is?
More drop cams.
Yeah,
so
exactly.
On the
same wavelength.
A few data points. You said just recently you guys have hit a milestone in terms of data delivery?
That's right. Actually, Dropcam is the largest inbound streaming site on the internet now. We take in more video than YouTube. All of the live streaming sites combined. There's a ton of video coming in. We process it all and show you the important moments. And people are actually able to share that video now to any of those platforms as well.
So the important part is that you basically have a DVR now set up for all these things.
That's right.
So it's running constantly. You can basically just skim back and forth, watch motion and everything.
You can store up to 30 days of video from every camera in the cloud. So no extra hardware required other than the camera. So that's 720 hours of cloud storage. It's a lot. And we process it all and show you where the important moments are so you don't have to sift through it.
Okay, so we were talking a little bit about I talked about the negative use of not having a drop cam, but these are some positive aspects. So we can go to the iPad, right?
Yeah, let's go to the iPad. So one of the lessons that we learned, Dropcam is a startup in San Francisco, so we're always thinking about learning from our customers, doing customer development. So people use Dropcam for all sorts of things besides security, and in fact, some small businesses use it, families use it to keep an eye on their kids. This one is a favorite of mine. This is Lou's Pet Shop. They have a 16-year-old tortoise named Frankie. And they built a humane harness to have a battery and a drop cam mounted to his back so you can see him playing and walking around the pet store, playing with kids and playing with their rabbit, so it's like the tortoise in the hare. We also have several humane societies and SPCA adoption centers that use drop cams to aid in getting people to adopt pets from their facilities, which is really awesome. We love to support that. We give them free service because we really like kittens, and we also like tortoises too. We even have a florist shop. You can watch little old ladies making bouquets of flowers, which is probably just the sweetest thing in the world, besides kittens. So these are some of our public cameras. Of course, your Dropcam can be private, right? Nobody else can see it but you. We encrypt it. But if you want to make it public, it's free to make it public. So if you want to broadcast something that's going on, whether for your small business or for personal use, it's easy as checking a box.
So what's next for these things?
So Dropcam right now, we're all about making really great software for this category, and that means basically surfacing the important video to you automatically. So we're working on things like computer vision, so teaching our cloud service actually to recognize what's going on in your video for you, surface the important video to you automatically. Even working on things like, we're doing better mobile integration, so we'll be able to turn Dropcam alerts on and off based on your location. So making Dropcam smarter, making it work for you instead of making you sift through all that video manually.
And this picture right here is very important because last year I said
that's right.
Bodegas need to start using this. They don't have to have those outdated, horrible, like those cameras that look like they've been bolted up in the 70s and never taken down.
Exactly. I felt like it was a personal challenge.
To get the bodegas.
If I was going to be in John Biggs' good graces, I needed to get a bodega. So here's your bodega, and they actually use it for security and also managing the staff, and they use multiple locations. That's the other cool thing. You can have Dropcams in many locations and see them all under one account. Doesn't matter where you are in the world. You can pull up Dropcam on your iPad. You don't even need to be on the same network. You can also make clips and share them, so it's really fun for sharing family moments, or we've actually had people catch burglars and share the clips with the police. So it does a lot of different things for you. And you get a 4-up view. You can actually view 4 Dropcams simultaneously now on the iPad, which is really great. So and you can even talk back to your kids. So I know this is a use case you like to
Sure.
you like to do as well. In this case, the baby is crying when you're talking back to them, so I don't know what's being said here, but
it's something horrible.
It's completely manageable from the cloud. So you never, after that 5-minute setup, you can do everything that you want to do with your Dropcam, manage all of its settings from the iPad.
All right, perfect. Where do people go to look for more information?
So Dropcam.com and Amazon are the two places that you can buy Dropcam right now. It's only $149. Comes with our basic free service that gives you live viewing and apps and alerts actually for free, so it can notify you when something happens. And then you can also sign up for one of our DVR plans, which start at just $9.95 a month and give you 7 days of DVR storage and up to 30 days if you want to upgrade to Pro.
All right, perfect. Thanks a lot, Greg. Thanks for coming on, and we love our Dropcams.
Yeah, thanks a lot, John. Thanks
for
for having me on.
watching.